Hey guys, today I have a new challenge. My friend PolymomoTea sent me these goodies and we are going to be challenging each other to get creative and crafty. First of all, I'm going to open up this packet that he sent me and see what is in here, and then I will explain the rules. First we have a little mold. Oh, this is really cute. It's a little flower mold. I think it's for nail art maybe, but it should work with clay and resin because it's silicone. Oh, there's a note. Let's look at this. It says, very first PolymomoTea craft set. Look at this little post-it note. It's so cute. And it says, please use each item once. Next thing, ooh, are these rocks? Another little container. Ooh, pearls. Ooh, these are pretty. Next we have some chunky glitter, some iridescent flaky glitters. But thankfully, he gave me a color scheme to work with. Finally, the bezel that I'm going to be working with. Oh, wait. Oh, it's a koi fish. I'm like, what is this? Right? That's a koi fish. Here are the rules. So we send each other 5 craft supplies. We make 1 single DIY piece. And we have to use each supply at least once. And we are allowed to add as many other materials as we want to complete the craft. So, of course, I can use my own resin, my own glitters, and anything else I may want to add on to this piece. I guess we should get started. I'm trying not to overcomplicate this and overthink things, but I'm not sure what I want to do. I think I'm going to use this piece as a base and make like a little pond stand, and I'm going to make it into kind of a figurine, little display piece. I guess they might fit in the charm, but I also don't want to overcrowd the charm, so I want to keep it simple and use these flakies. But, you know, since I do have to use everything, I'm gonna make a little pond stand. I would walk you guys through the steps, but honestly, I don't know the steps. So follow along and see what I come up with. And here is my finished piece. So the stand idea worked out well. It stands up. It's hard to see from that angle, but there is my koi fish, and I added the flowers to the water. They were supposed to kind of look like lotus flowers, but I mean, obviously they're not lotus flowers. I struggled with the pearls. I do wish they popped a little bit more. Maybe I should have put them in the body instead, but I did use everything PolymomoTea sent me. And for not planning anything, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Here, on white paper you can see a little better. I think it turned out okay. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And let me know what I should send back to Alex, because I need to get together 5 supplies and send them to him so he can attempt this challenge. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you next time. Bye!